Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're unpacking how an idea becomes an actual wearable clothing brand. We're going to use medical scrubs as our case study to follow the journey from a simple concept to a finished product. So, a founder's first big choice? How to get into this market. There are basically two main paths. You can either supply big organizations in bulk, or you can build your very own brand from the ground up. Let's go down that second path. This is where you get to turn your unique vision into a real product. And, it doesn't have to be a perfect drawing. The whole thing really just starts with an idea. Okay, so how does it actually work? Here's the 5-step process that makes that idea a reality. First, your idea gets turned into what's called a tech pack. Think of it like a blueprint for the factory. Getting a sample is super important. It's your one chance to check the fit and feel before going all in. Once you give the green light, production starts. And quality is checked at every single step. But what makes these scrubs so good? Honestly, it's all about the science baked right into the fabric. For instance, 4-way stretch lets the fabric move with you, an absolute must for those long, busy shifts. Then you've got an antimicrobial finish. This is a huge safety feature, adding a critical layer of protection. And moisture-wicking fabrics, they pull sweat away from your body, keeping you cool when things get intense. So why is this suddenly so much easier for a startup to do? Well, a few things have changed the game. And here's the biggest one, low minimum orders. You don't have to order thousands just to get started. Plus, manufacturers now offer a ton of support, from design help all the way to global shipping. So you get to focus on building the brand while they handle all the tricky production stuff. And you know what? This new streamlined process gets real results for brands both big and small. It all means that launching your own apparel line is more doable today than it has ever been. So, from just a sketch to a worldwide brand, it really makes you wonder, what would you create?